Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to talk about the muscle tissue or the muscular tissue and the nervous tissue. This is the last point of the chapter tissues. So let's start with muscular tissue. So I'll just, okay. Muscular tissue. What is the main function of muscular tissue? It helps in movement of body. Now how this movement occurs? Movement occurs due to contraction and relaxation of what we call as muscle fibers just contraction and relaxation of muscle fibers. Now, muscle fibers has a special substance called as contractile protein, which helps in this contraction and relaxation of the muscle tissue. Okay, the cells of this tissue are elongated in nature. Elongated, they are long cells, not wide, they are long cells. This contractile protein is called as myosin. Okay, now we'll learn three types of muscle tissue, and they are: first is smooth muscle, second is striated muscles, and the third and last is cardiac muscle. I'll draw a line. Okay. We'll differentiate these three muscles. Okay, just a second. Okay, so the first point, the smooth muscles have show no striations when stained to observe under microscope. Now, what are striations? Striations are continuous dark and light bands present in any muscle tissue, okay, when they are stained. So they show no striation, which means they will show striations when stained. Okay, and the cardiac muscles, no striations. Okay. The second point would be about comment about cells. So the smooth muscles, before that, they are called involuntary muscles, as we cannot control their movement. Okay, the movement of involuntary muscles cannot be controlled by our mind, that's why they are called as involuntary muscles. Striated muscles are called as voluntary, or the skeletal muscles, as they move as we wish. It is called skeletal as it is attached to bones. Okay. Cardiac muscles are types of involuntary muscles. Okay. Now the cells of smooth muscles are spindle shaped, that is pointed at the end and thickened at the center, like this. Okay, this spindle shape uninucleate means single nucleus is present in them. Okay, the second point is, for involuntary muscles, their cells are long, elongated, cylindrical in shape, like this, with alternate dark and light bands on them. Cylindrical and multi-nucleate. Okay. Heart, cardiac muscles are involuntary muscles responsible for contraction and relaxation of heart. Okay, the beats are made by these muscles. The cells of these muscles are cylindrical, branched, and uninucleate. Okay, smooth muscles are mainly found in alimentary canal, eye, in the ureters, and in the bronchi of lungs. Lungs. Skeletal muscle, smooth muscles are found in limbs, etc. Cardiac muscle, as we know, it is found in heart. So this was about muscle tissue. Okay, now we'll learn about nervous tissue. Okay, nervous tissue is present in brain and spinal cord. Okay, all the nerves are made up of this tissue. Okay, the cells conduct stimulus easily. Okay, the cells of this tissue are called as neurons or the nerve cell. Okay, now we'll learn the structure of cell. It consists of a cell body or the cyton and these branch substances called as the diagram is very. So the structure of cell is something like this. It is branched along component. Okay, this is the cell body or the cyton. These are the dendrites which transfer the message or gains the message. This is called as axon, and these are the axonal terminal. Okay, this signal is transmitted through nerve impulse. Okay, so this was the nervous tissue and the muscular tissue. So here our chapter tissues ends. Now I would like you to solve all the in-text questions and the exercise question. You would find every answer in the notes given by my lectures. So I wish you all the best, and we'll start with the next chapter, that is the next chapter is why do we fall ill, all about diseases. So thank you for watching the video. Like the video, subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon to get notifications when I upload new videos, and any doubts kindly comment. So thank you for watching.